This is a pillow pad tablet. Pillow stand for any device. It's a hand-free lap holder. I really did need this. It holds more than one device. Yes. Awesome gift for me. Okay, let me see the other gift. Alright. This is some socks. Winter soft, warm, thick, cold knit socks. Is multicolor. I need my that's good. My feet need to get warm all the time. Awesome. I love it. Okay, this is my third gift. It seems like I'm going to love this gift. Wow, it's Echo Show. Come with the charger. Alright, it's all new Echo Show HD Smart. Display with motion and Alexa. Guys, please watch the video until the end. I'm going to ask Echo Show to some question. Okay, this is the pillow pad with the tablets. Okay, my fourth gift is a watch. Smart watch activity fitness tracker heart rate sleep monitor. Okay. This watch will do well for me. All right. Let me see what in this box. This will be my fifth gift. Okay. It's a hoodie blanket. Long wearable blanket with pockets. Fluffy flannel. Winter robe, one size, navy blue color. Guys, I always crying for cold, all when me inside. So this is a good gift for me. I love all my gifts. All right, I'm not going to cold no more. Ooh, that's nice. I love it. Alexia, call James Cell.
Calling James Cell's mobile.
Guys, I asked Alexia to find my channel on YouTube and it did. This is so cool. Alexia, what is the weather in Kitchener?
Right now in Kitchener, it's -7 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds, with a high of -5 degrees and a low of
Alexia, what is the weather in Montego Bay, Jamaica?
Right now in Montego Bay, Jamaica, it's 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 22 degrees.
Alexia, go to home screen. I asked Alexa to play me some music. We Be Burning by Sean Paul. Please subscribe, like, make a comment, and share. God bless. One love. Bye.